This is a 69 Ford Torino, and while I love the way it looks, it needs a few interior updates. Let's get into it. The first step on the Torino is getting that interior upgraded and updated with all new leather. We removed all of the white leather components, the seats, the rear seats, the door panels, the headliner. It was just looking a little worn and dirty, and it's seen better days. So we removed all of the white panels and we sent them off to get reupholstered in black, and they came back looking fantastic. The team was super impressed with the new leather. It had a bit of a distressed look, but also looked brand new. Perfect for what we wanted. So we reinstalled the door panels, the headliner, the seats, the rear seats, all of the components back in the car to get a fresh, brand new look on the inside. Now the only things we were left with was paneling out the trunk, building a new center console to match the brand new interior we just put in, and a custom audio system, which I'm going to let Larry explain to you.
We're going to use the Retro Sounds radio to keep the factory old school look. We're going to be adding in 5 1/4 and some custom kicks. We're also going to be doing 6x9s in the factory location on the package tray. As well as we're going to panel out the whole rear. All right, so here we have the center console. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take and redo this thing. It's got a lot of damage on it. We're gonna give it our own feel. I have a new design drawn out on this piece of MDF right here, and I'm gonna cut that out right now and see how it fits in the car. All right, so I have the base layout for this center console for the Gran Torino. I got a shifter selector location, a little pocket, and then another little pocket where your phone will sit. We also got an area for the radio if the customer ever wants to add in a CarPlay radio later on down the road. From here, I'm gonna be doing a trim panel that'll hide all the securing screws, and then I'll gap everything for vinyl and it'll be ready to go. I gotta go up over that hump. All right, so I just finished up the amp wiring in the Torino. This is what we would consider an everyday basic installation. If you've seen some of our other videos, that's more of an in-depth, high-end kind of wiring that we like to do. From this point, I'll just carpet the amp board, get everything set back on the board, start to the trunk, and do the kick panels. Here we have the factory kick panel. I have traced out the shape onto my 1/4" birch plywood, basic layout of it. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna trim this with the jigsaw. We're gonna test fit it in the car and see what it looks like. Let's get into it. All right, so I just finished up doing all of the trim work on the center console for the Torino. I got my chamfers in here. I got my chamfer around the shifter selector and then on the edges. I also added in these side trim panels to cover up my mounting screws for all the paneling that I put together. Obviously, using neo magnets, just clips right into place. It will hide all the mounting points. From here, I just got to do the vinyl. The center console is done for the Gran Torino. I got my cup holders in, I got my shifter selector wrapped, I got my pockets all done. I got 2 tones of vinyl on here, like a grainy one and then just a texture. The seats have the same kind of style, so we're matching that. From here, we're gonna throw it in the car. All right, so we're in the trunk of the Torino right now. I'm getting ready to do all the paneling for the back area. Kicking it old school using cardboard for my templates. From there, I'll transfer it to the MDF and we'll get it wrapped. All right, so we got the trunk finished here in the Torino. Got my paneling all built out, the sides, the back, the floor. I built it to where it went around the factory hinges as if this car was built like this from the factory and in its era.
And that's it. We took out that old white interior that's definitely seen better days and replaced it with fresh black leather everywhere. And installed a custom audio system. You got kick panels, subs behind the seat, retro looking radio, and amps to power the entire system. This thing is rocking now. And if you like it as much as I do, we got it for sale right now at Scottsdale Restoration. So give us a call, shoot us a message, we'll be here. And if you watched this long, I know you liked this project. I wanna see you subscribe down below because we got tons more projects like this coming up in the next few weeks. We'll see you next week.